Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to see active sessions in LinkedIn on Android. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And now without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Well guys, firstly here of course you just have to open your LinkedIn applications. And now go ahead to your profile here at the top left in the corner of your screen. And after at the bottom we'll see the settings, just go ahead. And now in the settings page, you just have to go ahead to the sign in and security. And after we'll see here the where you'll sign in. You just have to tap on it, yeah guys, to see the active sessions on your account LinkedIn. And this is my location and my IP address, yeah guys. So my account for the active sessions is only on this phone. So yeah, I think it's enough. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below. And I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.